Today we'll be making Swedish meatballs. 1 pound ground piggy, 1 pound ground beef. Oh, are you sure you can handle all of that? Half a cup chopped stinky onions, 2 tablespoons fresh parsley, more seasoning than a Northern European is normally allowed to eat. Oil and half a cup crispity crumbly panko, and 2 unfertilized eggs. For now, ready to get your Trotters, sloppy little piggies? Form the mixture into evenly sized balls. Here, let me show you how it's done. Is it getting hot in here? Or is it just these balls? Butter up that pan, cause it's time to make a ruby roux. 3 tablespoons flour, and whisk away till it's dark and thick. Release 2 cups beef broth and 1 cup heavy cream. Oops, don't cross the streams. 1 teaspoon Dijon Mustard. Stop teasing me. Let it bubble away for another 5 minutes. Pepper and salt to taste. Get your balls over here, cause it's time for a creamy pool party. Drench your balls in the creamy gravy. I'll be the big spoon. Don't worry, there's more than enough of me to go around. Add a little more parsley and it's time to plate. That's not nearly enough gravy. Oh, that's better. But we're not done yet. These balls wouldn't be Swedish without a little Lingonberry Jam. I can't take it anymore. I'm starving. Till next time.